maritime piers decay along the bay. Midtown is drawing the capital away. The 46 precursor died inside the files. A plan without a statute across the miles. To hold the banking floor and keep the district whole. We need the public instrument to take control. Chase Plaza, demap the ancient street, a 60-story monolith to make the floor complete. Moses gave the counsel, unify the crown, create a single voice to speak for Lower Town. The DLMA convenes the masters of the floor, a blueprint for the harbor, a blueprint for the shore. Sentiment should never be the basis for a business decision involving many thousands of people and hundreds of millions of dollars. That's the hottest thing I'm involved in at the moment. Look across the river, target the terrain. The area is largely now occupied by commercial slums. Expensively. A World Trade Center seems logical to underwrite the trade. Let the Port Authority finance what we make. The bipartite engine turns the sovereign wheel. One writes the ledger, one applies the seal. Tax-exempt bonds and the power to condemn. A super block forged from the civic diadem. Immune from the codes that private capital obeys. The capital vision executed by the state. Nelson and David. David and Nelson. Jersey held the veto. What's in it for me? They wouldn't spend $1 for the Eastern Sea. Take the bankrupt railway, sign the package deal. Move the whole complex to the Hudson Steel. 16 acres condemned along the western bound. 300 small shops, ops leveled to the ground. 30,000 workers swallowed by the decree. Oscar marched the coffin through the streets for all to see. Here lies Mr. Small Businessman. Don't let the Port Authority bury him. Courts expand the doctrine, dismiss the public plea. Commercial exploitation is a public use decree. 10 million square feet of column-free space, and not a single merchant wants to fill the vacant place. The revenue is stalling, the private bias free. So open up the treasury and execute the lease. 2.5 million feet of sovereign domain. Move the state workers down to take the strain. The critics take the podium, the labor leaders yell. You built a monster project with a public shell, shielding private capital from free market risk. A tax-free instrument wiping out the disc. Socialism at its worst. Socialism at its worst. Bipartite engine turns the sovereign wheel. One writes the ledger, one applies the seal. Tax-exempt bonds and the power to condemn. A super block forged from the civic diadem. Immune from the codes that private capital obeys. The capital vision executed by the state. Nelson and David. David and Nelson. April 1973. The trains are shut down. The pickets on the line. A billion-dollar titan of bipartisan design. A great marriage of utility and beauty. The World Trade Center is our address, and we're proud of it. The plan is authorized. the land is cleared. The skyline is occupied.